In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Stella Maris Prep won and decided to send Jessie Ripoll Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Jessie Ripoll Primary and Bible knowledge. How many loaves of bread did Jesus bless for the feeding of the 5,000?
5.
Correct. Stella Maris, how many loaves of bread did Jesus bless for the feeding of the 4,000?
12.
Incorrect, it's 7. Jessie Ripoll, science, what is a name, starting with C, for organisms that get energy by eating other organisms?
Consumers.
That's right. Stella Maris, what is a name, starting with E, for a controlled test to investigate a hypothesis? Jessie Ripoll, would you like to try?
Yes, please. An experiment.
That is correct. Jessie Ripoll, social studies, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which Jamaican parish is highlighted on the map.
St. Thomas.
Correct. Stella Maris, look at the monitor and identify which Jamaican parish is identified on this map.
Manchester.
Correct. English language, Jessie Ripoll, spell fraudulent.
F-R-O-G-I-L-E-N-T.
Incorrect. It's F-R-A-U-D-U-L-E-N-T. Stella Maris, spell miraculous.
M-I-R-A-C-U-L-O-U-S.
Correct. Television, a visual question for Jessie Ripoll. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Abu.
Correct. Stella Maris, look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character. Jessie Ripoll, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Li Shang from Mulan. General knowledge for Jessie Ripoll. The koala bear is native to which country?
Koala bear.
Australia.
Correct. Stella Maris, what is the national animal of China symbolizing peace and harmony?
Panda.
Correct. Social studies, what is a name for a collection of maps? This is for Jessie Ripoll.
A collection of maps.
Carto table.
Incorrect, it's atlas. Stella Maris, what is a name for a strip of land sloping gently towards the sea and usually located between the high and low tide marks? Jessie Ripoll, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's a relief beach. Jessie Ripoll, music. What is the birth name of the Jamaican singer known professionally as Ding Dong?
Ding dong. Kemar Oti.
That is correct. Stella Maris, what is the birth name for the Jamaican singer known professionally as Busy Signal? Jessie Ripoll, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Rihanna Gordon. Jessie Ripoll, mathematics. What number, when added to 188, gives a result of 1,214?
1,214.
1,026.
Correct. Stella Maris, what number, when added to 249, gives a result of 2,220? Jessie Ripoll, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 971.
Incorrect. It's 1,971. And that brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Stella Maris Prep on 3 and Jessie Ripoll Primary on 8. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Review notes before bedtime. Your brain remembers more after sleep. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.